test one of night vision with camera. Let's see if this works. It is January, and this is my backyard. And that is the front of where I live, which is San Francisco's city capital domey thing. Remember to edit later. And now we pan over to the fountain that I always have to see every day. And now we pan back. Pan forward, pan back. Let's walk and enjoy this wonderful neighborhood. So this ends test one of seeing if I can tape out in the dark. And there seems to be plenty of light in my neighborhood as I again pan fully around in front of my freaking house where I live. And FYI, that's the building I live.